We are now touring this road construction zone up here. 349, that's, was it, I think it was 348 back at, no, it was 349 back at Phillips 66.
345 is what it was a couple days ago.
I see.
Yeah. Where's he going? He's turning around that way. We're gonna they come back. Both hit, go fuse. Go up to Wall Street, turn around, and come back. Go up to our road up here. Our street. We own this street.
Work zone, speed limit.
45?
Yeah.
There's nothing different about this compared to anything else.
The only thing here is you're going down the wrong side of the road.
I've done that hundreds of times here at Trace. You know how these are. Just those.
That's what they're doing out here in the gas area between Gas and Iola.
Let's turn around. Over here to.
I need to see the full construction zone for analysis,
We're
Dad.
not going to go all the way. We'll turn around up here.
Alright.
This Forsonian's right up here, I think.
Let's see.
Oh, they're really redoing that, aren't they?
Yes.
Building a new road, redoing it completely.
Yes. Should be finished in November this year.
Really?
Well, that's what according to what KDOT says.
We'll have a hard time getting into the mini storage.
All the way down there.
Turn off here on Wall Street. It's right down here somewhere.
That's Crawford.
There's Wall Street right there.
Well, we can't see all of it, but that's just a preview.